Hi, welcome to clickmateproject.com.
The topic is distributed web system performance forecasting using Tanning Buns method. Abstract. To develop good quality of web performance prediction method using space vector method to register spatiotemporal method. The web performance prediction in time and in space by mapping a forecast of a web resource downloading to the geostatistical simulation method. To present a robust vector prediction method to provide an efficient forecasting, we can use the space vector method in web performance forecasting based on the spatiotemporal method to improve the web performance and service-oriented architecture to increasing the quality of service using this method. To the web performance predictions in time and in space by mapping a forecast of a web resource downloading. To use the geostatistical method to forecast spatiotemporal web performance. Data flow diagram. Now the data flow diagram can be split into some type of levels. First level is 0. Now the user can produce our request from the web performance to our quality of service process. The level 1, it can be adapted into the client server manager. The 0 level is the web performance process. Web performance is it is available for the anytime to the service levels, and the client server manager process it can be available for the some minutes. So it is response level is low. After then calculated forecasting is minimum. Now we are going to level 2 process. We can analyze our web performance to the service production process. Now, in the system locations, to find our forecasting process, it will be high because it will be available for the anytime for the server. It will be not dropped at any time. Finally, evaluate the process. Now the project will be started now. The project title is Forecasting Using SP method. So you can go into our searching process. Now we can check our internet connections for available. This is process level 1. It can be implemented into service level process. This type of server can be available at any time. So now we can check our internet connections for the particular time. The connections are available and then go to next level processing. We can type our name and then search for the particular items for the particular site. The user can type our particular username and then search again. It will be displayed into the ASP.NET process. Now the user can type our ASP.NET to it will be searched and then produce some type of links from the web service process. Next the user can type our C# another one keyword to search collection of, so we can collect our port ID for the localhost ID. We can go into next our process. Now we are getting our system information. First our the forecasted time, that is the starting time of the search engine process. We can get voice person and then machine name, IP, SNID, port after the starter time. Next we are going to forecasting methods. We are collecting the IP address to collect our city name for the latitude and longitude process. It will be displayed to a particular IP address to for the latitude, longitude dimensions. Next we can analyze the number of site users in online for this site. So we can analyze number of times site visited for the particular time and then collect the information for the users, how many users can are available for the online sites. Next we can evaluate our web system performance through our system and then our city name. We can collect the information by city name and then collect the visitors information. After then analyzing our upgraded time and then forecasted time. This time is analyzed for our system performance. Finally, we can analyze the system forecasting using server actions. Now the process it can be started in another thing. This is the client and server process. This process is a service level 2. So it will be available for the few seconds for this type of server. So we can check our server status. Now the server can be started and then client after will be started. Now we can type our username and then message. The process is ready to progress for the server side actions. Now the message can be sent from server. Another one user can enter into send our another message client to from server. The process will be progressed now. After that send message client from server. Next user you can type our messages and then send. So this type of server can be available in the few minutes for the particular time. Finally, we can analyze the user performance and the system performance levels. The stages and then view can be displayed our CPU scheduling process. The system performance it means listen our IP address and then get forecasting for the messenger client and server messages process. Next the service level 1 process. After then collected our analyze the visitors views for the particular search boxes. Next analyze the keyword for the users. Finally we can analyze our website process. Thank you.